Alright, and this is what they look like outside. Got a real mean flip and flop on them. I don't know if you can pick that up. Metallic. It's all flip and floppy. It's flipping and flopping all over the place. So there's the flip and there's the flop. I hope they're showing up. The colour change there, absolutely sensational. That's the colour he wanted. It's a GMH colour. It's called Phantom Met Pearl. And when you get right down on the 45, she turns blue, purple, the blue. And you get back up and starts flipping all over. There you go, very nice.